Today we're going to be talking about estrogen. Estrogen is an important and essential sex hormone that is secreted by ovaries during pregnancy and throughout the entire life of a female. It is active in regulating development and functions of the female reproductive system. There are three major forms of estrogen: estrone, estradiol, and estriol. Estrone, also known as E1, is the primary form of estrogen that your body makes after menopause. Estradiol, also known as E2, is the primary form of estrogen in your body during the reproductive years. It is the most potent form of estrogen. Estriol, also known as E3, is the primary form of estrogen during pregnancy. This is the main form we will be talking about today. Things first, estrogen is a sex steroid hormone. It travels through the cell membrane and into the nucleus. Once estrogen is in the nucleus, it attaches to a protein receptor. Receptors are proteins that recognize and adhere to a ligand molecule on a cell surface. Once a molecule is connected to an estrogen receptor, it helps regulate whether certain genes are expressed or not. Estrogen can alter many cell processes. After the receptor is activated, the DNA creates mRNA, which then codes proteins that are essential for females. You produce a lot of estriol, an estrogen hormone, during pregnancy. This hormone helps your uterus grow with your growing baby and keeps it in good condition. In order to prepare your body for labor and breastfeeding, estriol levels reach their highest at the end of pregnancy. Estriol levels that change could be a sign of a problem with the fetus or pregnancy. Now, let's go through the process of fetal development. Fetal development. Estrogen peaks in the days leading up to ovulation. This is your most fertile period, approximately 14 days following the start of your menstrual period. One egg is typically released from one of the ovaries during each normal menstrual cycle. Ovulation is the process of the egg's release. A sperm can fertilize an egg by penetrating it. The blastocyst typically connects to the uterine lining towards the top about 6 days after fertilization. This process is known as implantation. The embryo, which grows in the amniotic sac beneath the lining of the uterus on one side, is the next stage in development. By around 10 weeks following fertilization, almost all organs are fully developed, which equals 12 weeks of pregnancy. The brain and spinal cord are the only exceptions, as they continue to build and develop throughout pregnancy. So why is estrogen important during pregnancies? Estrogen is important during pregnancy because it promotes development of the baby's organs, maintains the uterine lining, controls other important hormones, and aids in uterine growth. Thank you for watching. E3 later.